How to fix your iMessage activation error. First thing is check for like network, not Wi-Fi but network, because your iMessage requires network connection as well if you're using your phone number. If you're using Gmail, you don't need that, but if you're using your phone number for iMessage, you need to check the network. At the top right corner, you can see I only have one stick. That basically means my network is not that good. That's why it's like, not activating. I need to go to the place where my network is strong. The next thing what I need to do is open up my settings. Scroll all the way down and click on the option called General. Scroll all the way down and click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Scroll all the way down once I'm inside here and click on Reset and click on the option Reset All Settings and do that. Once I do that, I need to go back to my settings, scroll all the way down, click on the option Apps. Over here, find Messages and click on the option Messages. And over here where it says iMessage, turn it off and turn it on again. This is going to reset it and then your problem should be fixed. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.